Hi there folks, it's Ryan Reed with Reed Law Group. Today let's talk about something that can really complicate family law cases: social media. We're all glued to our phones these days, constantly scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. But if you're in the middle of a divorce or a child custody case in Kentucky, that seemingly mindless pastime could turn into a major headache. Now, you might think your posts or stories are something that you're maybe entitled to keep private, but trust me, they can easily come back to haunt you in court. Pictures of you partying a little too hard? Those could be used to argue that you're not the most suitable parent. Ranting about your ex? Never a good look. And even seemingly innocent posts can be taken out of context and used against you. And let's not forget about just plain old texting. Those heated exchanges with your ex, they can easily escalate and be used as evidence of your misbehavior. So trust me, it's best to avoid those late night text battles. And think about your kids as well. If they're old enough to be on social media, seeing their parents argue or post negative things about each other online, that can be really damaging to the children. It can create unnecessary anxiety for them and make it harder for them to cope with the already stressful situation. So, what can you do to minimize the damage? Well, first, consider significantly limiting your online activity during your case. Maybe delete those dating apps, resist the urge to post that snarky comeback, and maybe even consider temporarily deactivating your accounts. Next, think before you post or text. Ask yourself, would I want my lawyer to see this? Or would I want the judge to see this? If the answer is no, then don't hit send. Avoid communicating with your ex through social media or text. It's just too easy for things to get heated and for misunderstandings to arise. If you need to communicate, do it through your lawyers or some other agreed upon method, preferably a co-parenting app. And by the way, check out our website for content concerning co-parenting apps that we recommend. And then of course, if you have kids, don't forget about your kids. Talk to them about appropriate online behavior during this difficult time. Remind them to be respectful and to avoid posting anything that could be hurtful or embarrassing. Finally, talk to your attorney first and follow their advice on this issue. But maybe take time to review your old posts, past and present, and consider deleting or changing the public setting on anything that could potentially be damaging. This would include old photos, embarrassing comments, and really anything that might be misconstrued. Remember, a life change like this can feel like you're running a marathon. Divorce and custody cases can be long and emotionally draining. By being mindful of your online activity, you can minimize the stress and potential damage caused by social media. If you have any questions or want to schedule a consultation, please don't hesitate to contact our office. Thanks for listening.